Most deals have an overwhelming workload. Using AI would be a massive boost, but you can't let sensitive content outside your data room. So we put your AI assistant inside it. The Blueflame AI assistant helps you review documents, answer buyer questions, and much more, without ever leaving your secure space. Hi, I'm Caleb from the Datasite Assist team, always here for you. In this master tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Blueflame AI assistant to speed through those tasks with confidence. First, open your assistant. It understands plain language, including deal-specific terms, so you can ask it almost anything about the contents of your data room. You'll see some common prompts suggested for you. These can help you get started. For instance, you might want to find sensitive data and disclosures, or summarize certain documents, or even identify any gaps where requested content is missing. Here's something that's especially useful: drafting answers to buyers' questions. Buyer questions can pile up quickly, but every answer still needs to be fast, reliable, and grounded in the right source. With the Blueflame AI assistant, you can turn a buyer question into a prompt and get a source-cited answer from across the data room. Have a full list of questions? Upload it and get bulk answers, complete with source citations and confidence scores for review. Then review, refine, and decide what to send. Want to dig deeper? You can enter follow-up prompts if you need additional details or insights on the assistant's responses, so you don't have to start over. And that's how your Blueflame AI assistant helps out in your data room. Now, on with the deal. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to explore the rest of the series and master the Datasite platform.